Hi everyone, hope you all are good. Here for grade 3 math. So you can find all lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter operations with fractions, and the lessons we're going to cover today are fractions of a number unit problem, fractions of a number, fractions of a number unit problem, word problems, fraction number word problems. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 3 math. The chapter is operations with fractions. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is fractions of a number, unit fractions. Okay, so the first one is what is half of 8, right? So just listen to me carefully. Whenever you have to calculate half of 8, right? Whenever you have the fractions like this, fraction of whole number, right? 8 is the whole number and half is the fraction. So half of 8. That means you need to do 1 by 2 times 8. Simply, right? So 8 doesn't have any denominator. That means its denominator is 1. Just do numerator time numerator, denominator time denominator. 8 times 1 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the correct option is 4. Got it? If you have, if a number doesn't have any denominator, that means its denominator is 1, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is half of 6? You need to calculate half of 6. You can even think logically. Half means you have to do 1 by 2 times 6, right? So 6 don't have any denominator. That means its denominator is 1. So you have to do numerator and denominator time. Denominator 6 times 1 is 6 and 2 times 1 is 2, right? Then you can divide 6 by 2. 2 times what number is 6? So the correct option is 3 times 3 is 6. So the correct option is 3, right? The correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is what is 1 by 9 of 9? Use your notebook and pencil, do the questions on your notebook, and write the answers in the chat box. Do not chit chat, right? Otherwise, today I'm going to screenshot your chat, send the chat to administrator, they will contact your parents. You are here to learn, so just focus on the learning. So you have to calculate 1 9 of 9. So you have to do 1 by 9 times 9. So that means it is 9 over 1. So just do numerator time numerator. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. And when you divide, 9 times 1 is 9. So that means 1 9 of 9 is 1. So 1 by 9 of 9 is 1. The correct option is 1. What Number is 1 by 3 of 6. Which is the correct option? Do now the questions on your notebook and write the answers in the chat box. 1 by 3 of 6. That is 1 by 3 of 6 means you have to do 1 by 3 times 6. That would be 6 over 1. Just two numerator. Time numerator 6 times 1 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So yes, the correct option is 3 times 2 is 6. So the correct option is 2. Very good. The correct option is 2. That means 1/3 of 6 is 2. Very good. Okay, the next one is what is 1/3 of 9? Which is the correct option? 1/3 of 9 is, the correct option is very good. That is 3. 1/3 of 9 is 3. What number is half of 8? Which is the correct option? Half of 8 is, yes, the correct option is 4. One half of 8 is 4. Jody, can you stop saying hi to everyone? You are here to learn. Focus on the learning. What is 1/4 of 8? Which is the correct option? 1/4 of 8 is, 1/4 of 8 is, yes. Hi Manoj. If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. So 1/4 of 8 is, what you have to do basically? You have to do 1 by 4 times 8, right? You have the denominator 1. Do numerator time numerator 8 times 1 is 8 and 4 times 1 is 4. So when you divide 8 by 4, 4 times what number is 8? Yes, very good. That is 4 times 2 is 8. So the correct option is 2. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is fractions of a number. Okay, the questions are exactly same like we just did. What is 2/3 of 6? You have to do 2/3 of 6, right? Okay, let me explain how you do 2/3 of 6. You have 2 by 3 times 6, right? That is basically the meaning of 2/3 of 6. Now 6 do not have any denominator. That means its denominator is 1. 6 times 2 is 12 and 3 times 1 is 3. Please do not guess the answers. Use your notebook and pencil. Okay, now you have to divide 12 by 3. 3 times what number is 12? 3 times 4 is 12. So the correct option is 4. So 2/3 of 6 is 4. The correct option is 4. No one is using notebook and pencil, I know, because you guys are just guessing the answers. The next one is what number is 3/5 of 10? So which is the correct option? Just do 3 by 5 of 10, right? So 3 by 5 of 10 is 5 over 1, right? 10 times 3 is 30 and 5 times 1 is 5. Now you have to count 5 until 30. So 5 times 6, 5 times what number is 30? So the correct option is 5 times 6 is 30. Think and then answer. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is what is 1/3 of 6? So which is the correct option? One third of 6 is, please do not guess the answers, just solve them. 1 by 3 times 6, right? 6 times 1 is 6 and 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times what number is 6? Because you are busy doing chit chatting, so keep doing chit chatting. 3 times 2 is 6, so the correct option is 2. Got it? The correct option is 2. Next one is what number is 4 by 5th of 10? So let's just see how do we calculate 4/5 of 10, Zaviyar. Now listen to me carefully if you just came. 4 by 5 of 10 means you need to do 4 by 5 times 10, right? So you have to do 10 times 4 just to numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. 10 times 4 is 40 and 5 times 1 is 5, right? Now you have to count 5 until 40. So 5 times what number is 40? 5 times 8 is 40. So the correct 8, right? The correct option is 8, 5. You have to count 5 until 40. Times 8 is 40. You guys don't listen to me carefully. The correct option is 8, not 5. The next one is 2 times 10, right? 10 doesn't have any denominator, so its denominator is 1. You have to do numerator time. Numerator is 1 is 10 and 2 times 1 is 2. So you need to count 2 until 10. So 2 times what number is 10? 2 times it is 10. So the correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is what is 3 4 of 8? So basically you have to do 3 by 4 times 8, right? 8 do not have any denominator, so its denominator is 1. They are very easy. So you have to do 8 times 3 is 24. Then 4 times 1, that would be 4. You have to count 4 until 24. So 4 times what number is 24? 4 times 6 is 24, right? So the correct option is 6. Very good. Okay, the next one is what is 2/3 of 9? Okay, so let me just calculate 2/3 of 9, right? 9 times 1 is 9. So you have to do numerator time numerator. 9 times 2 is 18 and 3 times 1 is 3, right? Now you have to divide 18 by 3. 3 times what number is 18? 3 times 6 is 18. So the correct option is 6. Hello? The correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is fraction of a number unit fractions word problems. You can do this on your own. Fractions of a number unit problem, you can do this on your own. The next one is decompose fractions into unit fractions. Okay, so decomposing fraction means you have to divide the fractions into you can divide the fractions into smaller parts, right? Okay, which expression shows 2 by 5 as a sum of a unit fractions, right? So you have 2 over 5, right? So you can divide 2 by 5 as, you can divide 2 by 5 as 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 because they have same denominators. When the denominators is same, you simply have to add their numerators and 1 plus 1 makes 2, so that would be 2 over 5. Got it? Basically, you need to make the denominators must be same. Yes, and you need to make the numerators same. When you add them, it would be 1 plus 1. So that is 1 plus 1 over 1 by 5 plus 1 over 5, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which expression shows 3 by 4 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, denominators must be same, and when you add their numerators, they have the same numerator. Very good. The correct option is the last one. How? See, they have the denominator 4, 4 and 4. And their numerators is 1 plus 1 plus 1. When you add, it makes again 3 over 4. Got it? So the correct option is the last option. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is which expression shows 2 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option number 1. It is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is which expression shows 4 over 5 as a sum of unit fractions? Which is the correct option? How do you make 4 by 5? Which is the correct option? How do you make 4 over 5? Yes, very good. The correct option is option number 1 because they all have the same denominator 5, and when you add their numerators 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, it makes 4. So option number 1 is the correct option. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Okay, the next one is which expression shows 4 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? That's the same one we just did. Option number A is the correct option. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Which expression shows 2 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is the last one, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is the correct option. D is the correct option. Got it? Which expression shows 3 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 over 5. Correct option is option number 3. They have the denominator 5, and when you add the numerators 1 plus 1 plus 1, it makes 3. So option number C is the correct option, right? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is the correct option. Which expression shows 3 by 4 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is last one. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. D is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. The next lesson is add and subtract fractions with like denominators. So what do you mean by like denominators? Like denominators mean what do you know about the like denominators? Like denominator means the fractions that have exactly same denominators, right? Like denominators means the fractions that have the same denominator. Just look at the first example. 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Both the fractions have same denominator 10, right? That means they have the like denominators or same denominators. So if the fractions have exactly same denominators, you simply need to add their numerators, right? Numerator means the numbers that are on the top, right? So they were the one, they have the same denominator as 10. So you have to add 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the correct option is 4 over 10. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So which is the correct option? So basically both the fractions have exactly same denominator, right? Or either you can say they have the like denominators. So you need to subtract their numerators only. Yes, you have to do just 3 minus 2, that is 1. So it is 1 over 4. Okay, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Which is the correct option? Again, they have the like denominators. You simply need to subtract their numerators, right? So you have to do 3 minus 1. How 4 by 9 patch? Where is 9? How 4 by 9? They have the same denominators, right? You simply have to subtract their numerators. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So it will be 2 over 5. The correct option is option number 2. That is 2. Stop guessing the answers, right? Just listen to me carefully what I'm explaining, solve and tell me the answer. Yes, so easy. Add 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6, which is the correct option. Very good. They have the like trigonometers. You simply need to add their numerators. So 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. That would be 3 over 6. Okay, the next one is 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So which is the correct option? So they have the like trigonometers. Simply add their numerators. The correct option is 2 over 5. Very good. 6 over 8 minus 4 over 8. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 2 over 8. Right? They have like trigonometers. You simply need to subtract their numerators. Seven over 8 minus 6 over 8, which is the correct option? The correct option is it is 1 over 8. The correct option is 1 over 8. The next one is 4 over 10 plus 5 over 10, which is the correct option? 4 over 10 plus 5 over 10, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 9 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. The next one is 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7, which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That is 1 over 7. Okay, the next one is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 1 or 2 over 2, because if you divide 2 by 2, the answer is 1, right? So that is 1 or 2 over 2. Okay, the next one is 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10. So which is the correct option? One over 10 plus 3 over 10. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 over 10, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is operations with fractions. The lessons we have covered today are fractions of a number, unit fraction, fraction of a number. Then you have to do fraction of a number, unit fractions, word problems on your own. Fractions of a number, word problems. This one also you have to do on your own. Decompose fractions into unit fractions and add and subtract fractions with like denominators, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask if you have any question. No questions? Okay, thank you everyone. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.